welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a washcloth using raised ribbing. Before we get started, we're going to need a few supplies. For this tutorial, we will need cotton yarn of your choice, a crochet hook, and scissors. Okay, so to start our washcloth, go ahead and get a slip knot on your hook. And we are going to begin with chaining 26. Now, if you want your washcloth to be smaller, chain less. If you want your washcloth to be wider, chain more. Just make sure that we are crocheting an even amount of stitches plus 2 for your foundation chain. For row 1, we are going to double crochet from the 4th chain from the hook. Okay. So to double crochet, yarn over, go ahead and put your chain or put your hook through the chain. We're going to yarn over again and pull through, and you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, let's do that again. So yarn over, go ahead and put your hook in the chain, yarn over and pull through, and you will have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and double crochet into each chain. Row 2, go ahead and chain 2, and we are going to skip that first double crochet, and we're going to do a double crochet into the front post on the second double crochet. So go ahead and double crochet into that front post, and now we're going to double crochet into the back post. So make sure you flip it around. You're going to crochet under that post, and then we're going to repeat that. So crochet into the front post, and the next one we'll crochet into the back post. And just continue that for the rest of the row. Okay, I'm at the end of my row 2. And your last double crochet will be a front post double crochet into that chain 3. Just like that. And you'll start to see the ribbing that we're doing. Okay, so for row 3, we're going to chain 2, turn our work around, and for the last row, we did a front post double crochet. So we're going to continue to do that pattern. So we'll start with the front post double crochet into the second double crochet of the row. So we'll skip the first chain right here, and we're going to front post double crochet. And then we'll back post into the next one. And then we'll do another front post, and we'll continue this pattern for the rest of the row. Okay, so I finished my row 13, and if you want your washcloth to be taller, go ahead and continue to crochet more rows, or you can go ahead and fasten it off. An optional step, if you want to create a border, all we have to do is we can do a single crochet around the washcloth. So I'm just going to chain one, turn my work around, and I'm going to single crochet along the top into every double crochet. Okay, once you get to the end of the row, chain two, and we're going to single crochet along the side of our washcloth. You're going to want to make sure you single crochet evenly. So put in one single crochet into each row, and then we're going to repeat what we did for this corner for this, and just continue to single crochet around the rest of the washcloth. Once you're done single crocheting all the way around your washcloth, you're going to end with a chain two, and then you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet that we did, and then just tie it off, and you are all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makers keep making. I'll see you next video.